the spider. Even the smallest bite from Arachnus dethicus will instantly paralyze. Oh!
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and Justin Bieber just made a song called Yummy, and I want to go through it with you today, but I'll also leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out as well. So first off, we have the piano, which was created using a few different presets. The first one is on Omnisphere. It's the ambient space piano. For filters, I used Fruity Reverb 2, and I brought up the size. Fruity Blood Overdrive, and I brought up the preamp. Maximus, and I brought up the stereo separation. That way it gives it a wider sound. And Fruity Parametric EQ2 to get rid of some of the lows and the highs. Then I went on to Nexus and I put on the LV Beautiful Roads, which is a preset that I found on a preset pack. That's just adding more depth to the Omnisphere piano. And then I duplicated it and I brought it down an octave. For filters, I put on Parametric EQ2 and Sound Goodizer. Also in the intro and throughout the song, you'll find clicks and pops. The pop actually continues throughout the entire song, hitting on these points here. Next up, we have the 808, which is the official Spinz 808. You'll hear this on every track at the moment. It's so popular. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It's free to download at the moment. So this is the pattern that the 808 goes through. Also, the 808 changes before the chorus. As for filters, we have Parametric EQ2, Fruity Blood Overdrive, and I brought up the preamp, and then Fruity Limiter, and that's being used for sidechaining with the kick. This is the kick, and that plays with the 808. Next we have the hi-hat, which was created using 3 closed hi-hats, 2 open hi-hats, a percussion sound, and a clap. That's it for the instrumentals. I'll play you a clip from the song now. Thanks so much for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.